Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change theme in Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, click on Messenger, tap on someone and click on profile name option and tap on theme option. Just click and choose any theme. Okay, just click and apply, then back, then change your theme. Okay, try another, click theme and tap on colorful theme. Okay, tap on this theme and back, change theme in Instagram. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.